Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing fabulous. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing out everything that I got in my Boxycharm box. So if you're interested, just keep watching. This month's theme was Mother Nature. This is the goodie box right here. We have a Glam Glow, a probiotic recovery face mask, a Violet Voss palette, a Pretty Vulgar Uncaged eyeshadow primer, a Hank & Henry black eyeliner, and a Marstellar Water by Tarte. We're gonna go ahead and try on everything. So I'm gonna try on from skincare to the makeup. This is the Glam Glow Berry Glow. I'm so excited. I love these masks. This is supposed to be a creamy, nutrient dense, smooth mask with antioxidant rich berries and probiotics that instantly boosts skin health, restores radiance, and balances skin biome. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my brush here. Oh my god, this smells so freaking good. I want to eat it. Literally smells like blueberry smoothie. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this all over my face, and I'm gonna use the product that I have on the cap here. There's a lot of product. I think that will be enough for my face, not my hair. Thank you very much, sir. This feels so refreshing. I want a blueberry smoothie now, guys. Oh, I'm getting hungry now smelling this. Apply an even layer, clean skin, leave on for 10 minutes. Okay. All right, so we're gonna let this cook for 10 minutes. And while that's happening, I'm gonna go ahead and play with the Violet Voss palette that came in my box. Right off the bat, it looks like fall colors, doesn't it? Look at that, it's pretty. Like right here, looks like fall colors. And then right here, looks like summer colors. Pretty colors. And it has a mirror, which I'm so excited. Y'all know I like my palettes with mirrors. I don't have to grab another palette that has a mirror or an extra thing that I have to carry, you know? Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. All right, you guys, so first impression on the mask so far, it feels really good. It feels refreshing, and it does not feel drying at all or tacky on my face. I think it is a little tacky, but it doesn't feel like it, you know, it just feels moisturizing. That's what it feels like. Very moisturizing, very refreshing. So I am loving this mask so far. I'm trying to think what colors to go with this, and I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead with something with green. And because we have a beautiful guest behind me, she is so beautiful. I love her. Her name is Happy. Her name is Happy. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. I named my plant. Her name is Happy because when I see her, I just get so excited to see her. I get so happy to see her. She gives me butterflies. She's so green and so beautiful and so vibrant, so happy. In this area, when I first got her, she was like really tiny. Now she's growing. Yes, it is real. And apparently it's a corn plant, but I'm calling it more as a palm tree for me. But she is beautiful. I love her. So I'm gonna go ahead and do something green for my eyeshadow today. In her presence, I'm gonna start with this color right here, and it's called Sand. Here, it's like a very peachy color. I realized I didn't put a timer for my mask, but I'm just gonna take it off as soon as I see this thing clear up. It's pretty much clearing up a lot, so I guess it's close to 10 minutes. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take up the mask, and it feels so good. It feels really soft, and it feels very moisturizing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the Tarte High Performance Marstellar Water. And this is supposed to be a makeup remover and cleanser. It's the ultimate lazy girl hack. This micellar water is a gentle, no-rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long-wear makeup, excess oil, and impurities without stripping your skin natural moisture. Alright, so I let the micellar water dry a little bit because I really needed it to moisture my face because my face will not wait. It needs moisture right away. It didn't feel as tacky as I expected it to be, but I think it's okay for now. It did not burn my face so far. It doesn't feel like that. So then I'm gonna go ahead and go with Terracotta. It's like a papaya color. It's really pretty. And then I'm using the brown. It's called Cinnamon. And then we're gonna go ahead and do our green color, which is called Emerald. It's pretty pigmented. It's really nice color green. I love it. You guys, I miss a product. I miss the Pretty Vulgar eye primer. Is it an eye primer? Yeah, it's an eyeshadow primer. I can't believe I forgot to use this, you guys. I'm so sorry. Next is the Hank and Henry eyeliner, and I actually wanted to buy another eyeliner, but hey, I got another one, so I'm gonna try this one. I'm honestly not a big eyeliner gal, but lately I've been into it. I don't have the patience for it, but I am willing to keep trying. I have been practicing a little bit. All right, so this looks brown, but apparently it is black. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it here. Yeah, it is black, all right. All right, and on the card says, introducing the latest addition to our Slick With It line of eye products. This eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. Oh, not bad. This formula is extremely long wearing, transfer resistant, which is perfect for those hooded eyelids. I love this liner, you guys. It's actually giving me a beautiful finish. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my eyelashes and we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the rundown of the stuff that I like the most, and I think that is the mask. It smells so delicious, first of all, and I love skincare. I love trying new skincare, so I am so happy that this came in my box. So this is my #1 favorite out of my box. And then I like the liner. The liner was just so pretty and very nice to maneuver, very thin. I think did dry satin matte, which I don't mind. I am not a big fan of shiny finish on eyeliners. I'm very excited for this. And my next favorite thing is my palette. This is so pretty. I really like this palette. I love that it has a mirror, first of all. And then I like that it has from summer to fall colors. And I got inspired by my happy, beautiful baby in the background. These mattes are very pigmented. And this green one is the one that I'm wearing. It's also really pretty. And these type of shadows, I like to wet them so I can get more of a pigment out of the product. And then this yellow one looks so pretty as well. Look at that. It's very pigmented, very buttery, really nice in blending. I love that. And then I am pretty certain that I didn't get to use the eye primer from Pretty Vulgar, and I was so excited to get this because I've been meaning to get a new one as well. I've been using the Too Faced for a million years now and I wanted to try something new, and I completely forgot that it came in the box. My last product, I'm not saying that I like it the least, but I'm still gonna keep trying it out, testing it out. I feel that it still gave me that tacky feeling finish, and I'm not a big fan of that. That's why I kind of think about twice of buying a micellar water, but I'm so excited that I got this one so I can keep trying it and keep testing it out to see if I like it. I felt like I wanted to wash my face afterwards. Like, it didn't give me that lazy girl hack finish on me. And the total value of my box will be up here, which is not bad. I realize that completes this video for today. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I want to know what you guys got for this month's box. Let's share what you like and didn't like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. And please help me reach out to 1,000 subscribers. That will mean the world to me. And I'll be doing a big giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers. So I am collecting a goodie box for you guys once I reach over 1,000 subscribers. So share my channel, like my video, and leave a comment. That will mean so much to me, you guys. And don't forget, what makes you different makes you beautiful. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. So while that's happening, all right, so I got my math book.